system in which each vehicle has the RFID card with some amount of balance, and here a toll booth has the RFID reader module and 3 LEDs for indications. So first LED is of low balance. When any card or any vehicle has low balance, this LED will be turned on. This LED is of wait, so system will wait for to come any vehicle, and this third LED is green LED is of pass. So after when any vehicle comes, the system will deduct its toll, and then the green LED will be turned on, which will indicate that vehicle can pass. At that time the barrier will be open. So here this vehicle has 50 rupees balance, and its toll amount is also of 50 rupees. So when any vehicle passes like this, the IR sensor detects and it's showing low balance because this vehicle already debited its amount. Now we will use another vehicle of same toll amount. So this vehicle also has the 50 rupees toll. Now the barrier will be open, and as a IR sensor detects that vehicle is passed, the barrier will be closed again. In this system, the RFID reader module, IR sensor and LEDs and buzzer are used. Arduino board is used to control all the system. Complete system is powered using the 5 volt adapter.